Toprak Razgatlioglu makes his debut for BMW in 2024. The BMW powers through. Toprak is already on the podium.
First time I passed you yesterday.
All follow up for Razgatlioglu. Razgatlioglu wins in only his second round with BMW. A last bend lunge from Toprak, and he's through. Back-to-back wins in Barcelona. Toprak Razgatlioglu gives BMW their first ever hat-trick to take the championship lead.
This is my target, the 3 wins this weekend. Finalize it. Like it?
12 consecutive victories. It's 4 rounds unbeaten. Championship leader Toprak Razgatlioglu out of action.
Finally, we come back.
Toprak Razgatlioglu is back exactly 3 weeks from his Manikour crown. Toprak Razgatlioglu is back on top. Toprak Razgatlioglu becomes BMW's first Superbike World Champion.